Hello everybody, today I am doing the prequel to my series on how to use Fusion 360 from Autodesk. I'm going to be using the personal version of Fusion 360. I'll be showing you today also how to get that. This will be a learn along series. I am not an expert at Fusion 360. I have some experience, but I do not own a 3D printer and I've never personally made anything and printed it, so I'm just going to be doing tutorials on the design aspect and the simulation aspect of what you can do with Autodesk Fusion 360. So, we are going to start off by showing you how to get Fusion 360 for free. You don't have to pay for it, it'll be free forever, as long as you're not selling anything that you're making with it. So as long as you're not making money off of Autodesk, you should be fine. You'll be fine using it forever for free. We're going to go to autodesk.com. We're going to go to here to the Products tab, go to Fusion 360, and then we're going to scroll down to where it says Additional Autodesk Fusion 360 Offerings. And then we're going to pick either for personal, startup, or educational use. So if you have a startup and you do want to make money, you can go with this option. If you're a student, you can probably get it for free with this option. I'm going to be doing the hobby use. So personal, get Fusion 360 for personal use. Now it's going to ask you to create an Autodesk account. After you create an Autodesk account, you're going to have to apply for the Fusion 360 personal license. Applying for the license is simple. You just put in the same information you put in the same information that you use to make your Autodesk account. And then it'll send you directly, like instantly, to a link for downloading Autodesk Fusion 360. You will download that installer. The installer will look something like this. After you have this and you open it, it should install it. Then you're going to have to sign in the app using the same information you used to sign in to Autodesk. And you should have it. You should be in Fusion 360 for personal use. You can make a total of 10 documents at a time. So no like large assemblies or anything, but we can do smaller stuff, and I will go over that in my future videos. Another thing I want to go over real quickly is the system requirements for Fusion 360. So we're going to do support on the Autodesk website, and we're going to go to system requirements, and we're going to scroll down and find Fusion 360. And here you'll be able to see the current system requirements for Autodesk Fusion 360. Here you can see the Apple requirements for the operating system. Here you can see the Windows requirements for the operating system. It has to be a 64-bit processor from one of the main brands that pretty much all of you will have. It has to have at least 4 cores, 1.7 gigahertz or greater speed, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and these requirements for the graphics card right here, 8.5 gigabytes of disk storage. So this is the recommended specs. The recommended specs will reflect a better performance in your experience when you're using Fusion 360. Everything will be slightly smoother, faster, just better if you have a computer that meets these requirements. But as long as you meets these specifications. But as long as you meet these requirements in here, then you will be fine. I think that's about it for today. We went over the installing, logging in. Please comment with anything that you would like to see in future videos. I like to do tech stuff. I'm going to upload a full list of all of my hobbies to the description of my channel. And from there you can see the things that I'm interested in and possibly give me ideas for videos or things that you want to see. So, thank you for watching. See you next time.